Welcome to a mindfulness exercise based on the present moment. This time you can do it while you take a shower. The shower is a great opportunity to meditate, since you can transform an activity that you normally carry out automatically into a moment of disconnection and enjoyment. Stop for a moment before getting into the shower. Connect with your breathing. Observe how your body expands as it inhales and contracts as it exhales. Continue observing this movement. Note how the movement of your body resembles the waves of the sea. When breathing in and when breathing out, feel your body and go slowly into the shower. While the water falls on you, notice how your skin is dotted with little drops. Become aware of your posture in the shower, and if you change your position to make it easier for the water to wet your body uniformly. Notice how the water crashes against your body, and then how it falls into little rivulets along your skin. Connect with your senses. Observe the temperature of the water. Is there any area that you notice that it cools? Notice how it feels for you, the sensation of being wet. Become aware of how you soap your body area by area. Perceive the aroma of the soap. Imagine you are cleaning all your tensions. And observe now how the water makes your worries go slowly down the drain. Feel how your shoulders and neck relax little by little. Connect with the muscles of your back and visualize how it also relaxes. Feel the water falling on your head, how it slides down your face, your mouth, how your wet hair is now heavier. Note how it feels to the touch and its volume. Observe each of these sensations and start applying the shampoo. Be aware of how your hands spread it all over your hair, the touch of your fingers on your scalp, and focus on observing what sensations it produces for you. Feel the water running over your legs and your feet. It's likely that throughout this exercise, your mind has gone elsewhere. If that happens, gently redirect your attention to the sensations you experience. Try to look at them. Turn this moment into a moment of self-observation. Enjoy these minutes in your own company. Take a deep breath and become aware of how you feel. When you finish your shower, thank yourself for this moment of connection. Drain the water with your hands, visualizing how your tension is going away with the falling water. As soon as you're ready, get out of the shower slowly, becoming aware of the contact of your feet with the floor or the carpet. Dry your body and your hair gently, feeling the warm sensation of the towel.